Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Nimble CRM to log social interactions automatically, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Nimble CRM website. Log in to your Nimble account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the settings icon in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Click on Settings to open the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, find the Integrations option and select it. Look for the section labeled Social Media Integration. Here, you will see various options for connecting your social media accounts. Select the social media platform you wish to integrate, such as Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Click on the corresponding Connect button next to the social media platform. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter your social media login information. Provide your login credentials and grant Nimble the necessary permissions to access your account. After connecting, return to the Settings menu. Now, navigate to the Log Activities section. Ensure that the option to log social interactions automatically is enabled. This setting allows Nimble to track and log your interactions from your connected social accounts. Next, customize how you want to categorize these logs. You can choose specific tags or notes to assist you in organizing your interactions. Once you have configured your preferences, save your changes. Close the Settings menu to return to the main dashboard. To test the integration, go to one of your connected social profiles. Engage with a post, such as liking or commenting. Return to Nimble and check the activity log to confirm the interaction has been recorded. If everything is functioning correctly, you should see the logged interaction in your activity feed. Adjust any additional settings as needed to optimize your experience. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Nimble CRM to log social interactions automatically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.